Ever wondered how to build a seven-figure business? Let's dive into the secrets that successful entrepreneurs swear by. First up, identify a profitable niche. Find that gap in the market that needs filling. Research is your best friend here. Understand your target audience's needs and preferences. Next, create a solid business plan. This is your roadmap to success. Set clear business goals, develop a marketing strategy, and nail down those financial projections and operational details. Funding is crucial. Think about your options: loans, crowdfunding, or investment from venture capitalists and angel investors. Make sure you secure enough capital to fuel your growth. Now build a strong team. Hire people who bring expertise in marketing, sales, finance, and operations. Surround yourself with talent that complements your vision. Marketing? It's non-negotiable. Create a robust marketing strategy, leveraging social media, SEO, content marketing, and other digital channels. Build brand awareness and drive traffic to your website. Keep an eagle eye on your finances. Regularly track your income and expenses. Use financial management tools to make informed decisions and manage cash flow effectively. Lastly, stay adaptable. The market is ever-changing. Be ready to pivot your strategy when needed. Adjust your business plan to stay ahead of the competition. Building a seven-figure business isn't easy, but with strategic planning, the right funding, and flawless execution, success is within your reach. Go out there and make it happen.